The Dark and Stormy, a Bermuda classic named by a sailor who said the dark rum on top looked like, and I quote, a cloud only a fool or a dead man would sail under. Yo ho ho. 3 ingredients make this storm: spicy ginger beer, dark rum, and fresh lime juice. The lime is for flavor, and a little preventative scurvy medicine. Start with 4 to 5 ounces of ginger beer. Not ginger ale, ginger beer. Fever Tree, Gosling's Own Bottling, or Bundaberg all bring the proper spicy bite. Pour it into a tall glass over plenty of ice. Add half an ounce of fresh lime juice, squeezed from an actual lime, not the bottled stuff. Historically, citrus is what kept sailors alive on months-long voyages. Think of this as preventative pirate medicine. Now the storm itself. 2 ounces of Gosling's Black Seal Dark Rum. This is the one. Gosling's trademarked the name Dark and Stormy back in the 1980s, which means technically only their rum makes it a legal one. Float it slowly over the back of a spoon so it sits on top as a dark cloud. Fill a tall glass with ice. Pour the ginger beer and lime juice first. Then float the dark rum over the back of a spoon, gently so the storm cloud settles on top. Garnish with a lime wedge, and don't stir until you're ready to drink. The cloud breaking into the sea is half the show. The Dark and Stormy is a sailor's cocktail. Rum rations, citrus for the scurvy, and enough sugar to survive another week at sea. Drink like a pirate. Just don't try to find the horizon after the third one. Come back and sit down for another drink soon.